Once admired, now branded by many as a traitor, Harry is demanding a meeting with his ailing father. Not a quiet family moment, but a full royal summit, with conditions that would test any parent's patience. This isn't just family drama. It's about legacy, betrayal, and two brothers divided by a line that may never be crossed again. Charles, already worn down by treatment and the weight of the crown, faces an impossible choice. Meet Harry and risk damaging his fragile bond with Prince William. Refuse, and the rift with Harry could become permanent, and with time slipping away, both for his health and the monarchy's unity, the stakes are higher than ever. Harry's demands have shocked many. He wants Meghan reinstated with full royal status, expects the family to show deference to her, and insists Charles pay for full-time security, despite stepping away from royal duties. To top it off, he demands a meeting on his terms, even though his visit coincides with the anniversary of Queen Elizabeth's death. Prince William isn't budging. For him, welcoming Harry back would be nothing short of betrayal, not only of the monarchy, but of the family itself. The wounds run deep. Explosive interviews, Netflix deals, a tell-all memoir, and private family moments sold for profit have left scars. The most painful? After Prince Philip's funeral, Charles quietly pleaded with his sons, Asterisk, please be kind. I don't know how long I have. Asterisk, instead of keeping that private, Harry shared it with the media. Trust vanished. Respect crumbled. Now, every move Charles makes is leaked and spun into headlines. Insiders say Harry isn't seeking peace. He's using the press to corner his father. Meanwhile, William is stepping into his role with growing authority. More decisive, less tolerant of chaos. He's no longer just the heir. He's acting like the co-leader of the monarchy. With Charles's health uncertain, many already see William as the stabilizing force. And while William builds, Harry leaks. Almost every story about secret meetings or reconciliation originates from Harry's camp, often through tabloids he claims to despise. The public isn't buying it. Sympathy has swung back toward the royal family. Charles, known for wearing his emotions openly, is torn between love for his son and duty to the crown. But those closest to him say he's exhausted. Through it all, Queen Camilla urges him to stand firm and protect the monarchy from further disrespect. The truth is, Harry doesn't come with reconciliation. He comes with demands. This isn't a reunion, it's a performance. And justifying it grows harder with each attempt. Meanwhile, William and Catherine strengthen their image as the future of the monarchy. His approval ratings remain high, her role as its heart endures, and together they embody stability. Harry, by contrast, is running out of options. His Hollywood projects are faltering, his image is fractured, and without royal ties to lean on, his influence is fading fast. For Charles, real peace may not come through reconciliation, but by ending the cycle, choosing the crown over chaos, and protecting the monarchy above all else.